Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs. And just a reminder, as I always do on Sundays, remind you that Stephen and Walter Live will be on today, Sunday, August the 4th, 2019, at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's topic of discussion, along with everything else that's been going on this past week, is going to focus on healthcare systems. I know that for international viewers, your healthcare systems differ from ours, and I think that the world has this myth that Canada's healthcare system, being universal healthcare, is the best there is. Well, it's pretty good in comparison to some countries, but it's far from being absolutely perfect. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk it from the point of view of our own personal experiences. And I know people have good experiences and bad experiences. And so we're going to talk about that. And we'll talk about why we feel that our healthcare system has a lot of areas for improvement. But it's an opportunity for you to discuss how healthcare works in your country or in your area. And so I hope you'll join our discussion today at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Bye-bye.